Hey guys, I just wanted to take a second to talk about Signpost journals. So far we've done pretty well with getting Signpost Journal number 1 taken care of. But of course, as you saw on the grade sheet at the beginning of the year, we have more than one Signpost Journal. So right now I have 3 on the schedule. Of course, it says number 2 is due tomorrow, but we're moving at a different pace, and that's okay. But I'd still like you to work on Signpost Journal number 2. So let me show you how to get there. It's under the Assignments tab. It's under the same folder that Signpost Journal number 1 is, Signpost Journals, and then Signpost Journal number 2. So you can see up here in this blue bar, this shows you sort of the path to take through the folders. So we're in ELA, period 8, marking period 1, assignments, Signpost Journals, MP1 for marking period 1, and then we're of course in Signpost Journal number 2. Now, Signpost Journal number 2 is a little different, and that's because I'm not giving you a passage to write about. So that means that for this Signpost Journal, you will need to be pulling your signpost from your book that you're reading, or you should have been reading, your independent reading book or an independent reading book. So just to remind you, the signposts, the 6 signposts, all have associated questions with them. So I have a link here to this picture right in the document, and this shows you a question that goes with each signpost. You're not answering all these questions. That's way too many questions. All you need to do for this Signpost Journal is pick one question to answer. So for example, if you found a memory moment in your Signpost Journal, or in your signpost, that's the signpost that you found in your reading, you would answer either this question here, why might this memory be important at this time? What does this memory reveal about the character? Or what does this memory moment reveal about the conflict? You're not answering all 3 of those. You just need to pick one question to answer, and that's where you answer it in the space below here. We have different people reading different books, so what I'm hoping to get out of this is a bunch of different signposts and about different stories, characters, and things that are happening. If you have any questions whatsoever, please feel free to email me. You can always reach out, and I will get back to you as soon as I can. All right, but that is how you get to and start your second Signpost Journal.